Hi there, welcome to Love, Peace and Joy Agency. How can I assist you today?
I, I'm looking to buy a new home, and I'm interested in seeing some properties.
That's great. What kind of home are you looking for? Do you have any specific requirements in mind?
Yes, I'd like a 3-bedroom house with a garden. It would be nice if it's close to good schools and has easy access to public transportation.
Perfect, I have a few options that match what you're looking for. What's your budget range?
I'm looking to stay within $500,000.
That's helpful. I know a couple of places that fit within that budget. Would you prefer something move-in ready, or are you open to doing some renovations?
I'd prefer move-in ready, but I'm not against doing a few minor upgrades.
Got it. Let me show you a few listings that I think you'll love. We have a property in a great neighborhood, close to schools, and it has a lovely garden. Would you like to schedule a viewing?
That sounds perfect. Can we see it this weekend?
Absolutely. I'll arrange a tour for Saturday afternoon. Does 2 p.m. work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'll send you the details via email. Looking forward to helping you find your dream home.
Thanks. I'm excited to see the property.
Hi, great to see you today.
Hi.
Are you ready to check out the house?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm really excited to see the place.
Awesome. So, this is the front yard. As you can see, there's a nice space for a garden or outdoor seating.
Wow, the yard is bigger than I expected. It looks great for a garden.
Let's head inside.
Let's go inside.
This is the living room. It's got a lot of natural light and an open layout, perfect for entertaining. What do you think?
Oh, I love the natural light. The open layout is really nice too. It feels very welcoming.
Glad to hear that. The kitchen is right through here. It was recently renovated with modern appliances and plenty of counter space.
The kitchen looks amazing. It's modern and spacious, exactly what I was hoping for.
Exactly. Plenty of room for cooking and storage.
Yes, I love it. Lots of room for cooking.
Shall we check out the bedrooms?
Let's see the bedrooms.
Here's the master bedroom. It's spacious, with a walk-in closet and an en-suite bathroom. It's definitely one of the highlights of the house.
This is lovely. The walk-in closet is a huge bonus, and I really like the ensuite bathroom.
I thought you'd like that. The 2 other bedrooms are great for kids, guests, or even a home office.
I can see that. The other bedrooms look like they'd be perfect for guests or an office.
Perfect. Lastly, here's the backyard. It's a good size, great for relaxing or hosting barbecues.
The backyard is wonderful. It's such a peaceful space. I can definitely see myself relaxing out here.
Yes, it's a quiet neighborhood, so you'll definitely get some peace and quiet.
Yes, that's important to me. I love how quiet it feels.
Do you have any other questions, or anything else you'd like to see?
No other questions right now, everything looks great.
Great. I'll follow up with you tomorrow to discuss the next steps. Thanks for coming today.
Sounds good. Thanks so much for showing me around today.